What's up guys, Big D Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. Today we got a treat for you. Ran across some footage I took about 3 years ago, the Rockford Fosgate Power 1000. Did a dyno test using my old power supply. So I thought you guys might enjoy it, so stay tuned, let's check it out. What's up guys, Big D Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. Back with another amplifier dyno test for Rockford Fosgate, this time the Power 1000 MOSFET. This is the King Daddy amp from back in the day. This joker cost almost $3,000 when it was new. So we've got it here on the amp dyno. Let's see what she does. Master Big D Wiz, it's time for your daily serving of power. Alright, those of you guys who know this amp know that it is a 4-channel amp. And what we've got it hooked up is we have it bridged so that we have it running 2 of the 4 channels. So each of the 4 channels is bridged into 2. So we have separate leads going for each channel. So this would simulate how people used to do it back in the day, where they would run subwoofers off of this amp because they would bridge it. So amp is rated 150 watts per channel, so 300 watts for each channel would be rated. Yeah baby, we passed that no problem. 443 watts. So that's a little over 220 watts per channel into 4 ohms. Impressive. All right, now we'll do the certified load at 4 ohms. This is going to simulate each channel being bridged, and the amp is rated at 500 watts per channel. That's where we get the 1,000 watts. So let's see if we can break 1,000 watts on this 20-plus-year-old amp. Ooh, it's loading down my volts. Jeez! Check that out, boys. Almost 700 watts. So this is about a 1,400 watt amp. And it's rated to do 1,000. So underrated Rockfords once again for the win in certified mode. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm going to try it anyway. If I blow the amp up, I can send it in and get it repaired by my buddy. So let's try 2 ohms dynamic burst. That puts a 1 ohm load per channel of this old Rockford Power 1000, which it was never rated to handle. Let's see what it'll do. Check that out, guys. 954 watts. And 927, add those 2 up, you got over 1,800, almost 1,900 watts from the Power 1000. Underrated, old school, Rockford Fosgate for the win. Alright guys, just for fun, we're going to run a 2 ohm test for each channel, and we're going to run it at 1 kilohertz instead of 40, just to kind of see if there's any difference. Bam! Check that out, guys. Over 2,500 watts combined, both channels at 1 kilohertz. Just unreal. Absolutely unreal.
That? Yeah, that's the way to do it. That's old school.
Yeah? No school like the old school.
So there was the impressive dyno test of the Rockford Fosgate Power 1000C. Make sure to check the video description below. I've got lots of links to other videos of the Power 1000 that I've got on my channel. Thought you guys might like it. So Big D Wiz, until next time, I'm out of here.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.